Skiplagged Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you love travel hacks, Skiplagged might be your secret weapon, but does it live up to the hype? You won't believe how much money some travelers save with this app. One of the biggest pros is its unique flight search engine. Most people get this wrong by assuming it works like other booking apps. Skiplagged searches for hidden city fares, meaning you can book a cheaper flight that has a layover in your intended city. This can save hundreds compared to traditional routes. The app also provides competitive pricing for hotels and rental cars. Another advantage is user-friendly alerts. You can track flight prices and get notifications when fares drop. The app also offers transparency in fees and highlights potential savings, making it easier to compare options quickly. However, there are cons. Airlines sometimes frown upon hidden city bookings, so your return luggage may need special planning. The app doesn't handle customer service directly, so any issues with airlines or bookings must be resolved through them. Additionally, some deals may have limited flexibility or restrictions. In conclusion, Skiplagged is a powerful tool for savvy travelers looking to cut costs. The surprising truth is that while it offers amazing savings, it requires careful planning and awareness of potential airline restrictions. For those willing to do a little extra research, Skiplagged can transform your travel budget. Use it wisely, monitor prices, and you could unlock yields most travelers never even see.